Iran versus Israel? Yes, it's real. Dito sa pilot episode ng Bilyo Breakdown, let's unpack what's happening between the two at alamin natin if World War III is really around the corner. June 13, 3:30 a.m. Iran Standard Time.
Israel launched surprise airstrikes on Tehran and nearby nuclear facilities like Natanz. Ang goal? Pigilan daw ang Iran sa paggawa ng nuclear weapons.
Ayon kasi kay Israel Prime Minister Benjamin Netanyahu, Iran is just days away from making a nuclear bomb.
Ang tawag nila sa pag-atake, Operation Rising Lion. Nagresulta ang roaring attack ng Israel sa 220 casualties, including top Iranian officials, nuclear scientists, and civilians. Israel's surprise attack led to the retaliation by Iran just days after, with the Iranian military dropping bombs both on Israel and via social media. Iran officially launched Operation True Promise 3 last week, with 100 drones and ballistic missiles targeting Tel Aviv, Haifa, and more. Israel's Iron Dome intercepted many, but not all. 24 Israeli died during the attack.
Lalo pang tumitindi ang tensions recently. Both cities on fire, hospitals hit, and oil depots burning.
This isn't just a random fight. Iran has long supported Palestinian groups like Hamas and Hezbollah.
Pero bakit ba relevant to sa ating mga Pilipino? Simple lang. Middle East tension equals pagtaas ng presyo ng langis. The tensions are high, and so are the prices of gas, pamasahe, at kuryente.
OFWs in the Middle East are also on high alert, with over 3 million Pinoys feared to be caught between the crossfire of the two nations.
This has World War III energy, so stay alert and stay informed. Follow Bilyo Breakdown as we unpack big issues into clear and simplified stories.